Hi there, welcome to the Employment University. I am so excited to have you here, and I'm hoping that at the end of this first 6 weeks or 6 days, it will be clear to you what we are trying to achieve. I want you to please be patient with us. We are going to try and build up a foundation. One major reason why I believe you are here today is this question that I hear, or this demand I hear, and you see it everywhere. And that is just simple. I need a job. It's a need. I need a job. That's why you're here. Now, how you define that job can be different from person to person. Some need a good job, not just a job. Some need a better job. Some need a side job. But whatever kind of job you need, you're in the right place. And I need you to just pay attention to this video till the very end. So, without wasting so much time, I just want us to go straight to the point. This is no more too much story. We don't want to talk story. We want to go straight to the point. And the key is first starting to understand who has a job or what is a job. Because the first point I want to talk about is you cannot say you have a job. Can never say you'll get a job if you don't know what a job is. So be patient with me. You'll see it at the end of the week. That's exactly where I'm going. You cannot say you will get a job or have a job until you know what a job is. So without wasting much time, let's look at the dictionary definition. And I'm using Google to get a definition of a job, but you could consult any dictionary. And I don't think the definitions are too far. So straight to the point. A job is a paid position of regular employment. And someone else defined as a task or piece of work, especially one that is paid. So they keep on mentioning payment, and they mention employment or work. So it's very important for us to look at what employment is. After all, we're the Employment University. What exactly is employment all about? And therefore, we moved to the definition of employment, and it says is a state of having paid work. So more or less the same thing. And we get that word work again. Work comes up again. It came up under job and it came up under employment. But before we go deeper into work, which we are doing tomorrow, let's dwell a bit more on employment. And to give it a clearer perspective, I have looked at the Wikipedia definition. And basically, Wikipedia is saying in a deeper sense, is saying there are two entities or two parties. I love to use entities, especially when we have concepts like self-employment. So there are two entities. One is the one we call the employer, and the other one is the one we call the employee. And there's also a concept of exchange. When the employee gives the employer work or gives value, as we are going to be hearing in future classes, the employer pays money or gives some form of payment. Most of the time is in form of money. So basically, employment has to do with a relationship. So when you have a job or you have employment, there's a relationship. You have an employer and you're being paid for work. So it's very important that you build this foundation. Tomorrow we are going to go into the world of work, and I'm telling you it's going to be super exciting. But please be patient with me. We have tried to keep it as short as possible, straight to the point. If you're on the Facebook group, you can move as fast as you want on the class. But in WhatsApp, you have to wait till 24 hours to get the next video. Please hold on for this first 6 days and first 6 weeks, and you will see it is worth every second of your time. Thank you so much today, and I hope you have learned something. I hope by the end of this first 6 days and first 6 weeks, we will have gotten something substantial that will help to move you from unemployed to employed. Thank you so much for your time.